すげえことが待ってるんだぜ。
What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing some things on this and some things on the Prelude. I would very much like to get the Prelude out of Ronnie's bay, so I am going to be putting it back in here. The wheel turning like that is either the check valve is messed up. There's like a one-way valve in the speed sensor, but I mean the speed sensor works, so I don't see why it wouldn't. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. Anyways, or apparently the internal seals can go bad on the pump. I don't know. It's not hard to change. I'll change the pump. It's not a big deal. Yeah. Was going to work on the dirt bikes today, but I ordered one more thing for my bike that I want to wait for that to come in. And I'll just put everything on at once so I can like really feel the difference when I ride it. So here we are. My problems, all my problems lay down there. And possibly right here. I don't know. As for ATF being like super unsafe for Hondas, I know people commented it, so I mean I'm sure people have their experiences, but I'm running ATF in my GM power steering pump on my Z in my Nissan rack, so I don't think either of those run ATF. I think only like the S13s and stuff are supposed to have that, but I put ATF in it and it's meant no broken seals, so I figured it'd be fine. But as you guys wish, I will go get power steering fluid. Alright, well, I switched the lines. Let me start it real quick so the line can blow off and upset me. I have zero expectations for this, but if the line keeps blowing off, I'm just going to move this into my bay because I need to get out of Ronnie's bay. Not that he comes down here a lot, but if he does come down here, I don't want him to come down here to a full friggin' bay. If he has to work on his shit, you know? It's kind of dickhead moves. Alright, I tightened it. Let's try again. Yeah, it's still working. Yeah, it's pissing out right there. I'm genuinely pissed off. Alright, well, I'm going to leave this thing. Fixed it. Fixed it, guys. I'm pissed. So pissed. I guess I'm not running power steering until I actually figure out what's going on with this, but until then, I don't give a shit. Like, these things are... I know a lot of you guys are commenting, just remove it. Like, it's not a Civic. This is not a Civic with a manual rack. It's not the same. It's very hard to turn these fucking things, so... just know, this is going to be a big problem until I freaking... figure out what the hell's going on with it. Alright, well, I'm gonna go bring this thing to the gas station and get gas. Fill it up with 93. That's what it needs. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but gas station's real close, so should be alright. Now that I have brakes, I'm not scared to friggin' drive this thing. It just sucks not having power steering. Surprisingly, there was only one little lean spot, but once I had load on it, it was fine. Oh shit. So I can't lie, I'm like super happy that I just got to drive this over here. It was literally like a 2-second drive, but I mean, it's just dope being able to drive this. I mean, it does drive really smooth. I'll try to actually film it driving correctly this time because it's kind of hard to shift and all that, so yeah, but Let's see, 35 bucks for 10 gallons. I just paid more than that to fill up the Subi with regular. Okay, let's go drive back. Linkage popped off, not good. Completely forgot. Completely forgot that I didn't put the pins back in. Okay, I'm gonna shove something through that, I don't know what, but just to get back to the shop so it doesn't happen again. Piece of wire, we're good. Let's not get arrested. This thing needs to be driven. Tripped the freaking thing when I got out, but it's in here. No power steering is like such a bitch, dude. Well, I posted on a freaking group on Facebook. Hopefully I get some answers there, or at least some hints, some pointers in the right directions. Maybe someone's experienced this before, but I mean, it was nice kind of lugging it to the gas station real quick. It already drives better than my fucking Subaru does. Oh man, I hate driving that fucking Subaru, dude. Yeah, it's been reliable the last like friggin' year and a half, but man, do I hate driving that thing. Whew. Turbo flutter sounds cool though. Went ahead and swept up Ronnie's Bay. Those mats are fire, dude. They freaking absorb dumb amount like mint. ATF's a detergent, so that shit will actually clean the floor. A little angle in this, because I'm going to weld this on, but I want it to be a little bit tweaked so it's like easier on the line. Here we go. Just a nice little slit. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and drill that out as well. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean this off. So I get a clean weld. This pan is a mild steel, zinc plated Canton ISR Collab LS Swap 350Z G35 long ass name pan. So it's mild steel, zinc plated, that's why it's gold like that. Problem with welding with zinc, you kind of sort of create mustard gas. So I'm going to try not to breathe that much in there, but basically like that. Sure, why not? And yeah, that's pretty much it. The pipe, the down pipe goes like right here. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna weld it on and we'll figure it out from there. I'm gonna tack this into place to ground this somewhere. Yeah, that'll work. Well, I'm gonna ground it. Well, I'm gonna tack it. And after I tack it, I'll start actually welding it with gloves and all that, but I need to be able to hold it mint. Yeah, that's on. So, it turned down the wire speed. I think that's pretty much it. Now I can just kind of go ahead and weld this shit up. Yeah, that should be it. That should definitely be good. I just put my phone like behind there with the flashlight on and took a video real quick and just made sure all the welds are where they need to be and it's all sealed up, so we're good. But this is basically what I'm going for here. I'm probably going to actually use this. I didn't think I was going to use the 45 elbow, whatever I have, because the turbo is going to sit right here, and basically I'm going to tighten it down and it's going to be bowed like this, so it's downhill, but also going to miss the pipe's going to be right where my thumb is, like going back, obviously. So if it was straight, it would be hitting the pipe, but if you bow it a little bit, it's mint, and it's still all downhill. Boom, right into the pan, and turbo will be right there. I'll probably end up well, I can't cut it right now, but I do have an extra straight now because I ordered these and they came in and I was going to use 2 straights, but I just put this on there just for shits, and I actually like the angle better than trying to like really stress this line with 2 straights. So basically all I'm going to do is cut this when I get the turbo back on and put the straight back on it, and boom, and the straight will hold it so that it's like this rather than like this, you know. The whole point is to do that, because originally I thought I was going to have to make a hard line and like do like crazy bends. I was always going to use that port right there, but I was going to get like a hard line and like a brake fitting or something and put it in there and go through everything, because I didn't think this would fit like this, I guess. But shout out to Ronnie for this little section of line, and shout out to my Prelude eBay turbo kit for that fitting. Shout out to Amazon for the weld-on steel fitting. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, get hyped, because this thing, I'm kind of over it, like the whole power steering thing for now. I'm probably just gonna friggin' ask Jimmy when he wants to come tune it, and just tune it and go register it and figure out the power steering shit as I go. And this thing is literally just waiting on manifolds and some piping, some intercooler piping. Yeah, I'm gonna tweak the position of the turbo a little bit so I can fit this in the stock position, around the belt in the stock position. Just do some welding on this stuff, but whatever. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. I've been talking for way too long. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stick around for the next one. Bye.